Does the Johnson & Johnson vaccine have any nanobots or tracking in them?
The doctor can help. Just a couple quick questions before I transfer you. What are all their symptoms? Are they currently using any medications?
I am considering the COVID vaccines and don't want the mRNA as they are experimental gene therapy. I can't find any info on the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, so I wanted to know.
What's their age and gender?
I am 72-year-old female.
Anything else in their medical history you think the doctor should know?
Cured from Hep C from blood transfusions in traumatic accident in the 70s. I stay away from drugs and don't take any prescription medications.
Hello, thank you for your questions. Simply put, there are not any nanobots, trackers, or other such things in any of the COVID vaccines. Unfortunately, there has been a tremendous amount of false information and conspiracy theories circulating on the internet regarding these vaccines. The fact is the mRNA vaccines, Pfizer, Moderna, are not experimental gene therapy. They use mRNA to produce an immune response, and that's it. They do not change any genes, and in fact the vaccine components themselves, including the mRNA, are broken down extremely rapidly. They are not even present after a few days, though the immune response and the antibodies they produce last for a long time, hence why they work to give you immunity to the virus. These types of vaccines have been under development for over a decade. While the COVID vaccine is the first time they have been used on a large scale, the technology is hardly new or untested. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine does the same thing but works in a slightly different way. Instead of using little pieces of mRNA to deliver information to the immune system, it uses a deactivated virus, called an adenovirus. This is more similar to other existing vaccines. I encourage you to look to reputable sources to further educate yourself about the vaccines, the technology they use, and what is known about their risks and benefits. CDC is a good place to start. https://www.cdc.gov/coronavirus/2019-vaccines/facts.html.
Thank you so much for your information.
Happy to help. Be well.
Thank you. Where can I get the complete list of ingredients for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine?
From the FDA. It's referred to as the Janssen vaccine in the regulatory filings. Here is a link, https://www.fda.gov/media/146305/download #page=2. From the filing, the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine includes the following ingredients: recombinant, replication incompetent adenovirus type 26 expressing the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein, citric acid monohydrate, trisodium citrate dihydrate, ethanol, 2-hydroxypropyl beta-cyclodextrin, HBCD, polysorbate 80, sodium chloride.
Thank you.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.